Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Sirbi aka Makeup Literary. So today I'm going to review products from an amazing skincare brand which is Good Vibes. So let's get started with the review. So the first product that I have used is the cleansing lotion in Cherry Blossom. And I got this one for rupees 159. It really smells so good. The fragrance is very sweet and the product is genuinely very amazing. I love the way it cleanses all the dirt off my face. The most amazing part about these products is that they are cruelty free, paraben and sulfate free as well. These are the preservatives which most of the time causes irritation on your skin and leads to allergic reactions. So that's a good thing that they are sulfate free and paraben free. So the next product that I'm using is the Skin Clarifying Toner in Rose Hip variant. This one was for rupees 139 and again this one also smells really good. It has that rose water like fragrance and I just love how refreshing it makes my skin and I just love this one. Now I'm going to scrub my lips with the Mango Lip Scrub. It's very effective as it removes the dead cells of my lips and also helps in nourishing my dry lips. This mango is my favorite fruit, so that's why I've got this one in mango variant. And it will also help in lightening the darkness of my lips. So you have to scrub your lips for at least 2 to 3 minutes and you can see I'm scrubbing my lips and it will make my lips a little more pinky. So it's a good product. Now moving on to our next product, I'm going to use the lip balm in Pina Colada variant. This lip balm was for rupees 99 and it is very moisturizing one because it helps in moisturizing my lips for at least 4 to 5 hours. I mostly wear it at night and wake up with amazingly nourished lips. Now you can see how plump my lips look here. Now I'm also going to scrub my face with the Good Vibes Cleansing Face Scrub in Grapefruit. The most amazing thing about these products is that all of these have at least 8 to 10 variants. Like in scrubs you can find variants like strawberry, papaya, lemon and so many other options. This scrub feels really very gentle on the skin and does not leave my skin dry, which is not the case in many other scrubs because they will leave your skin very dry. After scrubbing my face, I'm going to apply a face mask. So the face mask I'm using is the Good Vibes face mask in avocado variant and it was for around rupees 200 and this is also a good product because it helped my skin in skin tightening and you can apply this face mask for at least 10 minutes and after 10 minutes you can wash your face. Look at how bright my face looks now and it also felt very refreshed after using this face mask. After this I'm going to moisturize my face and hands with the green tea body lotion and it had very gentle and soothing green tea like fragrance and it is very lightweight and most of the moisturizers are very heavy in weight and you can feel that you have applied a moisturizer, but this one really does not feel that way. So the next product is Good Vibes Lavender Face Mist and I was really very excited for this one because I wanted lavender face mist from so long, but I was not really very happy after using this product. So I was not happy about this product because its fragrance smells more of like jasmine than lavender. So the last one is this under eye serum in cucumber and lemon. It really feels very soothing on the eyes, but I have not used it regularly, so I cannot claim that it will help you in preventing dark circles and puffiness. But yes, I have read the product reviews from where I have purchased these products, that is purple.com, and it is not a sponsored video. I have purchased all of these products on my own. So yes, in the review section it claimed that it will help in treating puffiness and also minimizing the dark circles. So that's all for today's video. Hope you find it helpful and if yes, please comment down below and also like my video and share, subscribe to my channel as I'm going to bring more of these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.